Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2021 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the technology package, as well as the sport appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, you got backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, and front gripped running boards on either side. You got a hood or window deflector on the front windows, blind spot detection, and moving to the front real quick, we got front park sensing, recovery hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, you got floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, nice little Ranger logo on the door. We do get USBs, 110 volt, and you do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we get a fully manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, powered mirrors, lights, bed lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 167,251 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl app steering wheel with volume, playback, play forward. We got our phone, mute, voice, home and settings, cruise control, and toggle for your main screen here, which you can go through. Your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, truck info, driving assist, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, cup holders with storage below. We got our 4-wheel drive and tow and haul, park sensing, traction, and auto stop, auto start. Some storage here with USBs, 2 12 volts. Your climate controls with dual climate up front, heated rear window, storage below, and on the dash with a nice big infotainment system with your hazards just right here. And for your infotainment system, you do get your navigation, audio, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got your climate controls up here as well, or down there, totally up to you. Phone controls, your navigation, pretty easy to use, where you can zoom in and out, search, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right in here with your SiriusXM travel link, pretty nice. And going to your settings, you got your Bluetooth, phone, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass, valet mode, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EA14919B, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.